I don't think they're gonna sit. I don't think they're gonna sit. These were released on a shock drop on sneakers, and I kind of looked at the engagement on Twitter, and it was kind of hard to see what the stock was looking like, because I saw that a lot of people hit, some people didn't hit, a lot of people passed because they just said that it's such a bright color. But me personally, I think you can get some crazy fits off with it. So without further ado, man, I think I yapped too much. We're gonna get into it. So this is the Nocta Hot Step 2. I did get these in a size 14, like I said, because I do believe that the first ones, they ran a little bit narrow. I got my first ones in a 13 because I don't even think they came in a 14. Um, and so I got those. They were a little bit narrow. So I got these in a 14. So I'm going to have to try them on to let y'all know. So the colorway is total orange / chrome. It's a size 14. The color code is DZ7293-800. So here is the Nocta box. It's the same as the previous one. We have the Nocta right here on the side. We have these initials on the side, CL, I don't know, certified lover. And then, what is it? AWR. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what these initials mean. Aubrey with R. I don't know. But the box isn't important. We're going to get into the shoes, man. So unboxing it, finally get to see what I've been talking about, man. And oh my, bro, y'all can't tell me these not hard, man. We're gonna, because I already see some amazing details, so I'm gonna give y'all a close up in a minute. But let's just talk about it from a surface level, bro. These are hot. These are super hard, bro. And I'm gonna lie, my first impression on them, these are like a better Nike version. Bear with me, of a Yeezy 700. Hear me out. Well, let me know what y'all think, bro. Let me know what y'all think. Am I tweaking or what?